Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Avalanche, AVAX, from Kucoin to Metamask in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is simpler than you might think, and it could save you time and potential headaches. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently moving your AVAX across platforms. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Kucoin account with some AVAX in it, and Metamask installed on your browser or mobile device. If you haven't added the Avalanche network to Metamask yet, that's step 1. Open Metamask, click on the Network dropdown, and select Add Network. Enter the Avalanche mainnet details. Network name as Avalanche. RPC URL is https://api.avax.network/x/bc/c/rpc, single quote chain ID is 43114, symbol is AVAX, and block explorer URL is https://snowtrace.io/. Hit save to add it. Once that's done, switch to the Avalanche network in Metamask. Now, copy your AVAX wallet address by clicking on your account icon and selecting Copy Address. Head over to Kucoin, log in, go to your Assets page, find AVAX, and click on Withdraw. Paste the wallet address you just copied into the withdrawal form. Double check that it's correct to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Next, enter the amount of AVAX you want to transfer. Make sure it's above the minimum withdrawal limit, which is usually around 0.01 AVAX, and don't forget to cover any network fees. Review all the details, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction should process in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. That's how you transfer AVAX from Kucoin to Metamask in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets if possible. Enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.